Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a jasmine plant. First, ensure your jasmine receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day for optimal growth and abundant blooms. It thrives in bright, sunny locations. Next, plant it in well-draining soil to prevent root rot, as soggy conditions are detrimental. Always maintain consistent soil moisture, but be careful not to overwater. When watering, check the soil. If the top 1 inch feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly. During the active growing season, from spring through summer, fertilize your jasmine monthly using a balanced liquid fertilizer. As winter approaches, reduce your watering frequency, allowing the soil to dry out a bit more between waterings to prevent issues. Pruning is essential for a healthy jasmine. After your plant finishes flowering, trim it back to encourage new growth and maintain a desirable shape. Always remove any dead, damaged, or tangled stems to improve air circulation and overall plant vigor. For climbing jasmine varieties, provide a sturdy trellis or stake to support their upward growth. Keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids and spider mites, which can sometimes bother jasmine plants. If you spot any, treat them promptly with an insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. If you notice your jasmine's leaves turning yellow, it often signals either overwatering or a nutrient deficiency, so adjust your care accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.